G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. It's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. I'll zoom in so we can show you a better look of the... Okay, this is basically being sold as practice material, low grade mine run. Piece like that, as you can see, hasn't got a lot in it. In saying that, there's a little seam. That's what you have to chase. With the boulder, sometimes it's bigger, thicker pieces like that, but there's another seam there. That one might split by the looks. Then you get a pair. Pieces like this just cut probably in half, although there's the stone in the middle. That's the thing with this material, and that's why I'm selling it cheap and it's not high grade material, is for you to learn how to read the stone and then decide on which way you're going to cut it. This piece probably goes through to there, so maybe grind this off and see what you're going to end up with. Maybe cut that off to start with. You might end up with a little stone on the end there. Again, need to chase the seam, or you can just cut it into that shape, make it into a pendant perhaps. Here's a piece with a little bit more character. There's another seam underneath there, so that perhaps is the one to chase. That's what you have to do, is sometimes with those and this sort of piece you have to sacrifice some to get something out of the stone, because it's just so broken and twisted. Piece like this I've just thrown in. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.